Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a recycle DIY video. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, let me tell you that this channel has videos on instrumental music, poetry, art and craft, DIY videos, a few travel videos. I also have a show razzmatazzwithrashi where I talk about books. And recently I made one video on the documentary on the wildlife of Australia. So don't miss that video because that's the first time that I made something like this, and let me know how's it. So if you are interested in any of these videos, don't forget to subscribe. What we are going to make today is this. Yes, a storage box that we have made by recycling a box and two old t-shirts. You can use this storage for keeping your garments, books, some soft toys, kid stuff or anything, and it will easily organize your space. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Let me know in the comments below how was it. So stay tuned for many more such recycling ideas that I'll be going to share with you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.